It's right there.
Ooh. Bottle cap.
Bottle cap? Sounds like can slaw. Sounds like a can.
Cut big.
See how it's bumping at me? It's a big piece of can slaw.
Could be. I'm new at this, you know. At
Yeah.
this detector.
Oh boy, hard root right there. Oh yeah. Piece of can slaw deep.
Yeah.
Right there, can slaw, yeah.
Let's see, I'm new at this with this.
Yeah. Jim's learning quick though, man. He's learning really quick. Huh.
Can blow, right?
Yeah, rotate on a little bit and see what it sounds like. Yeah, it's can slaw. It's a grunt. Yep, I wouldn't bother with those tones.
Oh, look at this stuff. What is that?
Oh, it's part of a bike.
Is it?
Yeah, it's part of a
Oh, on the wheel?
I don't know what it goes to. Oh, it's a handle for a bike. Yeah, there's another piece of it right here.
Me in the shade.
No, there's
Don't
not.
get down
It's
the
full.
sun.
Yeah.
Later, target.
I gotta loosen my coil up just a little bit here. Right there. There we go.
A lot of cash on this trail.
Let's see if I can get down to the creek bank down there. See what it looks like down there. Ooh, I don't.
Get fit?
No, not quite.
Go ahead, there's plenty of room.
It's all overgrown. No, I'm not gonna be able to get down to it. It's too overgrown. Junk, yep. Dog crap everywhere. That's junk.
Yeah.
Yep. That might be a nickel. That might be a nickel right there, yeah. I'm gonna take this one out. Ouch. Because it's not overloading like a piece of can slaw, right? It's a pull tab. It's something small, all right?
What was it?
It's a pull tab. It sounded small, so that's why I dug it up. Still sounded like aluminum, but the rings sound like that too, so small rings. I just want to get down the creek down there. Hope I can find a spot. Oh, there's some. Oh, it's the erosion control. They laid a bunch of mat down there. Kind of screwed it up for us. They laid some erosion control matting right at the banks, man. About 8 feet out from the banks, all along that whole creek, man. So they just screwed it up for us big time. Our gym is in some soft ground right there. Oh, here's a creek right here. Yeah, bring it on. Actually, didn't lay the matting down over here. Oh. Can slaw, right here. Right near the surface. It's a nickel. It's a nickel, man. That's why I dig the can slaw up. All right. A dime. Jim is on it. Jim is on.
I knew it was deep by the sounded.
Yeah, yeah, dude. Bring it on. Oh, yeah, I am liking it down here a bunch. Except for the spiders. Not too much into the spider situation here, right? Oh, yeah. Oh, dude. This is going to be a really good spot to hunt, man. I am really liking it. Hopefully that is rocks right there. Yeah, man, bring it on, dude. It's not quicksand down here. Oh man, this is a good spot to hunt in, right here. Yeah. Yeah, dude, bring it on, man. Bring it on, baby. Yeah, right there. Oh, missed it just by a little bit. It sounds like it's overloading sort of on the surface. It is a coin. I just saw it. It's a coin. I'll take my glove off so I don't get it all wet. Right there, it's a quarter. $1988 quarter. Man, that tree is making some serious noises. That's crazy, man. That tree is screaming at me. Oh, there's some more coins. Oh, yeah. Something big here. Overload. Soft. Yeah. Ooh, it's stinky clay too. I can tell. There's gonna be some green clay down there. This could be something epic though, man. Oh boy. Probably a pop can. Some junk. Ooh, it's slimy. Very slimy up here, man. Ugh. This stuff is grooty. This stuff is grooty. Yeah. Man. Is that it right there? No. Where the heck is this thing at? Come on. Ugh. This stuff stinks, man. It's stinky. I did not fart. That was not me. That is the tree screaming at me. This is probably a pop can. That's what I'm thinking. It just sounded really big. Yeah, it's a pop can right there. Got it. Here we go. This is some stinky stuff, man. Really stinky stuff. Yeah, I'm liking this ground over here. Something big here. Pop can. Oh, it's clay down there too. It is nasty clay too. That green, slimy, stinky clay. I'm gonna forget about that one right now. I'm just gonna dig a hole there and see what I can do. There's some rope right here. There's a bunch of rope. A bunch of polypropylene rope right here. See that? Everywhere. Yeah. I'm liking this creek for some reason. What the heck is that? It's not it. There's no way. There's no way that'll be. I guess it is it. Oh, it's part of a toy. Yeah, it's part of a toy. It looked like it was plastic, but it's... Oh, it's right there. There's the rest of it right there. It's part of a big truck, Hot Wheels truck. Oh yeah, I'm gonna come back here later on, get my river shoes on, and come down here and dig that target out right there. There's another target right in here that I just dug out, right next to it. Sounds really scratchy, man. Oh, dude, this is some nasty stuff. If only they had smell vision, man. Whew, that stuff is stinky. Ugh, it smells like sewage. Yeah, come on, I'll go up here a little bit more. Maybe get a little bit wetter. Just a little bit wet. I know I'm coming next week, or this weekend. I'm coming down here. Yeah, bring it on, man. Go catch up to Jim. Go catch up to Jim. He's not too far away. Oh, dude. Dude. Right on the surface. An old bottle top. That's freaking crazy, man. And it is an old one too. That is really freaking very, very good sign. Very good sign. Huh, there's some china right there. Some china. Different colored glass over here, right? There's all different kinds of glass here. 4, 5 different kinds of glass right here. Right on the surface. Right? So there could be a relic dump down there somewhere. Somebody's been digging bottles here. That is an old one, man. That is really good, man. There's glass all over here. There's another one right there. That one looks like a Coke bottle right there. Yeah, I'm gonna come back down here later on. This weekend. Right on the surface. See something else over there too in the grass. Underneath the bush there. It's a bullet. Look at that, honker. That is a honker, man. Big time, big time. That's a modern one. What is that? It's some plastic. Oh yeah, bring it on, man. I am liking this creek right here. This one sounds junky. Looks like somebody dug a hole right here. No, I don't think so. This one's right on the surface. Sounds junky. It's not, it's a quarter. No, it's a penny. It's a zinc penny out. Oh yeah. That's junk. Right. Oh, it's hard right here. It's actually soft. I was wrong. Some junk, some big can fly. Yep, right there. Can fly. Oh boy. Oh, this is a relic, man. That glass back there that I just found was a really very, very good sign. Don't start rolling down the hill on me now. It's a key ring right there. Modern key ring. Got to stomp out a little bit better there. Go check it out. Check the creek over here. Check it out a little bit. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go down there. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.